Enter! Woo! That was gay. They poured it so big.
C1079 is throwing it back right now.
So we're starting our first pod, or what are they called?
We're not going to do this.
We need to!
Should put Pandora on.
My hair is wet. We just went to Don Tequila and I sat in the car while Trisha had an interview at Longhorn Steakhouse in Mentor. And
It's pouring down rain.
it's pouring down rain. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see it. You can see in the back. We're on the sunroof. It's bad.
I'm trying to get my skin clear.
And my makeup looks gross right now.
I literally haven't used my CD player in ages.
Twins! And I really want an iPhone! This is not my iPhone. This is my sister's iPhone. And
I'm gonna start taking more videos.
we're gonna start doing more. I don't even know if they can hear me. We're gonna start streaming more videos! Woo! Because we want to start our own thing. And I know that this video sucks right now because we're in a car and I'm being very careless.
You should help me get the CD player to work.
What else did we do? Some Mexican guy at the restaurant was hitting on us. He was like, woo!
Mamacitas.
Mamacitas! Gross.
I guess I'm switching lanes because people are like so slow.
Now we're switching lanes.
Chardon here.
And we're in Chardon. I need to cut my bangs. How long they are. We should see if Laura's working.
Fuck
Oh my
this
God.
rain. Yeah, she
We're
wants
gonna
me
go
to-
see if Laura's working. I'm gonna text her right
She
now.
wants me to bring her those stupid shoes, which I kind of already gave to someone. I'm gonna try and get them back.
I'm texting Laura right now. Asking her if she's working right now. That CD player right there sucks ass. Now we're both straight.
You're gonna fucking cut me off, then at least go my speed.
I'm gonna text Laura.
Fuck this CD player. Fuck this song.
I just moved your mirror. No one's gonna be able to hear this because it's so noisy in here. I look like shit. Okay.
Cops.
How do you spell tongue? T-O-U-N-G.
Say yeah.
Tongue tag.
One night in town.
I tied. Oh my God! We almost died.
She bring it back.
Construction.
Black truck, so many hoes they lapped up.
No, we almost died.
Niggas leaning. Diddy poppin'.
I tied it. I tied
I said let's get it poppin'. Just look at how she drop it. Mama certified pro. She need her own show. Started